Hey Caesar, it's Max. Thanks for talking with me earlier. This is the video that I promised you, and all that I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. Whether you have any thoughts or questions, you can reply to this email, give me a call, or text. Any of it works. So let's jump right into it. So the general gist here is to have your website rank in Google for select key terms that are being searched by consumers every month. And I know that these specific keywords are being searched every month because I use a software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 350 searches every month for painters in El Paso. Now, I know that you don't have a website. However, you do have a Google My Business page, and you do already kind of have that online presence started. So I think that a website would be the perfect addition to this, and then we could go ahead and build it naturally in a way to where it could rank in Google using the three things that I'm going to show you today. Okay, so I'm going to use ENZ Painting, which is your competitor that's currently ranking on the homepage, and we're just going to use his website as the example today. Okay. Alright, so I opened up ENZ Painting, and they're ranking #1, so I'm going to show you that if we built your website, how easy it would be for us to get you guys to take over that #1 spot. Okay, so the first thing is content on their homepage. So if I copy everything that you see here, including what these images are saved as, and every word here on this page, and then I throw it into this word counter, shows that they only have 550 words on their homepage. Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and they would want it to be targeting these specific keywords that are being searched every month. Okay, so if we had these specific keywords that are being searched every month in your home page, and we had more content than Easy Painting, you would easily be able to take their spot off of content. Okay, so then your website would rank over theirs because your content would be more relevant to these search terms here. Okay. The second thing is backlinks, and what a backlink is one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if I take this URL and I throw it into Ahrefs again, it shows me the back end of Easy Painting. And so they only have 37 backlinks and coming from 7 different websites. So that is a little bit spammy. Usually you'd want it 1 and 1. And as you can see, Google notices that. They do not. This is Google's trust rating on their website, and it is very low. So as you can see, they're not very trusted in Google's eyes. So if we went in here and got you, 100 backlinks from, similar numbered referring domains, then that would be a lot more trusted, and they would be a lot more quality backlinks. Okay. The third and final thing has everything to do with this Google Map Pack here, and really it's just citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, which makes your Google My Business page, like this one, more verified, and then Google starts to rank that in their search terms for these specific words. Okay, so ENZ Painting has about 31 citations, and so if we went in here and got you 50 to 60 citations, then you would easily rank over them and then maintain that position as well, because you're not just meeting their standard, you're doubling it. And then you'd be able to consistently be in this Google Map Pack. And as we know, this is, the gold mine here, because a lot of people are using their cell phones to search, and this is what comes up whenever you search on mobile. Okay, so that's all that I have for you today. I hope that it was informative and helpful, and I do appreciate your time. Thank you, Caesar. Oh, and all I ask is just a little bit of feedback. Just let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions, just reply to this email or send me a text or give me a call. Thank you.